Look at this. This robot right here, Rux, is a desktop companion designed by a company whose CEO was one of the founding members of the Xiaomi Corporation. It was successfully funded through an Indiegogo campaign. Its primary feature is its highly advanced brain, Instant Chat GPT 3.5 integration. If you ask Rux a general question that isn't a built-in prompt, it immediately accesses the free version of ChatGPT to answer you, which is described as mind-blowing because it's superior to other desktop robots. You can ask it to write a short intro for your YouTube video. In this video, we are diving deep into 5 of the most compelling personal pet robots on the market. Starting with Rux, the physical design includes a 2.1-inch screen that displays various facial expressions alongside essential information like the time, weather, or news. It has an integrated 5-megapixel camera and sensors designed to detect if it is about to fall off the edge of a desk. Its physical movement is defined by legs that move forward and back, which is described as clumsy but part of its charm as a desktop toy. Control is heavily reliant on a dedicated smartphone app. Within the app, you can remotely control Rux's expressions, actions, and sound. Rux can even be used as a remote video camera to keep tabs on its surroundings. The app features an App Center, where you can install or uninstall various applications. Rux also includes a pet mode, where it roams around. But be warned, if you ignore it, Rux tends to get agitated, constantly making random noises and movements. The company is actively working on over-the-air updates to add features like gesture control, touch recognition, and the ability for Rux to walk back to its wireless charging pad when needed. Next, we look at ClicBot, a modular robot designed specifically for entertainment and education, aiming to provide a beginner's introduction to the world of coding. The system uses a central brain unit, which has an LCD screen and serves as the head. The core concept is modular connection, allowing users to click and connect pieces, called joints, to construct various robots. The robot supports over 50 pre-designed configurations that can be built, such as BIC and BOC. ClicBot comes equipped with advanced intelligent features, including a built-in camera, touch sensors, and hearing, enabling it to see, feel, and take commands. Certain configurations, like BIC, are capable of self-balancing. It interacts with human gestures, responding happily when users pet the robot's head, and can play games like hide-and-seek and peekaboo. The mobile app is essential for connectivity, control, and learning. The app features an academy that offers step-by-step programming instruction and hosts an entire online community where users can learn, teach coding, and share custom scripts, transforming the robot into an ongoing collaborative project. Now we turn to EMO, the AI desktop pet, created by Living.ai. EMO is built with 2 highly advanced deep neural network CPUs and over 10 sensors, allowing it to move gracefully around a desktop while avoiding obstacles and falls. EMO's face is also a screen that features a camera for recognition. A 4-microphone array enables EMO to listen to greetings, questions, and other sounds, and it can recognize the source of the sound. EMO is designed to be emotionally available, possessing its own personality and feelings. For instance, if you tell EMO you are sad, it will try to comfort you. EMO recognizes its user during interaction. It remembers the user's birthday and celebrates special holidays, including Chinese New Year, Father's Day, and Mother's Day. Through updates, EMO has received new daily schedules and animations. Users can ask EMO to display fireworks, and by showing EMO a colored object, the fireworks will change color. EMO can also be commanded to turn into a zombie. EMO requires Wi-Fi connectivity to function. It comes with a charging base, sometimes called a skateboard, or a go-home set, which includes a mat and a charging station. Let's talk about Ruko 1088, also known as Carl. Carl is a large, programmable, interactive RC robot, specifically designed as a companion and toy for children aged 4 to 9 years old. Carl is constructed from durable, non-toxic ABS material with smooth edges, making it environmentally and skin-friendly. It is rechargeable via a micro USB port, requiring 150 minutes to fully charge for 90 to 100 minutes of playtime. Carl boasts 9 flexible joints, 10 music options, and 10 emojis. It is highly programmable, featuring 56 actions that can be set into up to 200 consecutive programs. Carl can perform various functions, including gymnastics, dance routines, music, and storytelling. Control is highly versatile, using voice commands, a remote control, or the dedicated Carl smartphone app. The remote allows for both rolling, fast movement, and walking, slower movement. It also includes a recording function and features a head tactile sensor and Bluetooth connectivity for playing music. However, it is important to note a critical design limitation. Carl does not have motion sensors to detect edges, meaning it will fall off raised surfaces if not monitored. Finally, we explore the Petoi Bittle X, a robot dog developed by Petoi, designed to be a portable and pocketable version of advanced quadruped robots. It can be purchased either assembled or as a complex self-assembly kit. The robot features a removable silicone tail under which the charging port is located and a removable head. The workmanship is highly rated, featuring many internal engines. Bittle X is notable for its impressive balance, allowing it to move effectively, even on slippery surfaces. It can perform a wide range of actions, including getting up, sitting down, walking, stretching a paw, performing push-ups, doing a handstand, jumping, and playing dead. It can respond to specific voice commands, such as high five. Control is managed through a remote control or via dedicated Android and Apple smartphone applications that connect using Bluetooth. A significant feature is the robust community aspect. Petoi maintains a community website where users can share their programmed movement commands, making the possibilities for new actions virtually endless. The overall truth is that these AI companions are less like perfect pets and more like specialized technological projects. Whether you seek the coding complexity of ClicBot, the emotional availability of EMO, the instant knowledge of Rux, the child-friendly programming of Carl, or the advanced biomechanics of Bittle X, each robot offers a unique focus. Which of these highly specific features most excites you about the future of AI companionship? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you want to dive deeper into how ClicBot's modular design is changing education, check out my next video right here.